Hi, how to use PDF print control quick setup. So in this example I want it to mark up some pages and print every time I open a document. So to do this, first I need to do a dummy document. I need to mark it up how I want it. I'm going to go in plugins, PDF print control 1. So I'm going to set page 1 to say example tray 1. Save and exit. Then I'm going to do the same again, but I'm going to page 2. I'm going to set print control 2. I'm going to send that to tray 2. So that's set up. Now you can do automatic marking of the control to use by doing other things in the setup. You can mark pages here quickly. I can search for text and automatically mark. Once you've done that, I'm going to save the print controls and I call it setup. I'm going to save mark pages. So every PDF that I add, it's going to mark up pages 1 and 2 like I have done. So now I want to create a quick setup file. You can change the path here to a path that you have permissions to, or in this case I have permissions, so I'm going to just click create. Now it's recording what actions I do now. So I'm going to load the print controls. So this is what it's going to do when it opens a new file. So it's going to load the setup, what I previously did. And then I'm going to add a print action. And that's it. That's all I want it to do for this. And I click stop. So now what I can do, I'm going to save and exit. I'm going to close that down. I'm going to start afresh. Now if I go into plugins, PDF print control quick setup, you can see there that it's marked those 2 pages as a set, and it's come up with the print box, which now just click print and it's done. So now I want to set it so it automatically does this every time I open a new document. So go into plugins, PDF print control setup, and I click this box here on file up automatically quick setup, save and exit. So now when I open this, it automatically marks up and comes up with the print. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. So I can open a different document, say this one here, and it will do exactly the same thing. It will mark page 1 and 2 and then come up with quick setup. And that's it. It's all done, ready to go. Give it a try.